To get started, first, type your search. I will search for watches. After typing your search, simply press on the extension. As you can see, we have 5 functions available. I will use the first option, extract listings, to extract the items we search for. As you can see, 60 new items found. Next, press Add to Export List. To add more items into this list, simply scroll down and then go to the next page. As you can see, we extracted more items. Press Add to Export List again. We have 120 items in the export list. To export this, press on the extension and then press Export. You can export it in many different ways. I will export it as HTML. After exporting and downloading the file, just open it. As you can see, here is all the items we extracted. Let's try one more function. I want to extract the reviews of this item. So let's press on it. Then let's go down to Reviews. And let's press View More. Then let's press on the extension. As you can see, Extract Listing Reviews is now available. Let's extract more reviews. After extracting 60 reviews, let's export it. Add to Export List, then press on the extension, then press Export. After exporting, you'll find all the information we extracted.